guys, it's Brie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this eyeshadow look. This is look number 5 in my 10 looks using 1 palette series, highlighting the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm doing look number 5 in my 10 looks using 1 palette series. My brows are on and my eyes are primed with concealer and set with a powder. I think I'm going to use the blues this time. First, picking up a Morphe M518, I'm going to take Weekender, which is my favorite transition shade in this palette, and work that in. One thing that I really don't like about this palette is they have browns and then they have like one sort of pinky transition that could work, an orange, and then like a dark purple. Like I need like a blue. I need a couple more cool toned shades in here because it's really hard. Like over here with these greens, I mean brown would look fine, but like I don't think brown and blue would look good together, so it's kind of tripping me up a little bit. Then I'm gonna take Riff on that same brush, work that in to the crease, just deepening it a little bit. Okay, then I'm going to try this Luxie 229 tapered blending brush, and I'm going to pick up Punk, that into the crease as well. And I think I'm going to use this color to deepen the outer corner. Once I have that laid down, I'm going to take that first brush and just blend out the very edges of that dark shade. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go in with concealer before I decide how to really deepen the outer corner. On the inner corner with Big Sky, and then fade that into Radio, which is a deeper blue. So I'm going to be taking these two right here. And I'm just going to use the concealer I used on my eyes today, which is the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer. I have the shade L12 Fair, and then this little packing brush. This is one of my favorite packing brushes, and it's a Zorea Medium Shader 7S. I wonder if you guys can even see that. The label is almost all the way rubbed off. I don't know where I got this brush, but it is one of my favorites for cutting the crease. Okay, so I have that laid down. As you can see, I left the very inner corner bare because I really want to put Breakaway right in the very inner corner to really brighten my eyes. So I left that a little bare. You can barely see it, but I'm going to blend it into that Big Sky color. Okay guys, so I have both of those on. I think it looks really pretty. I think I'm going to go in with Jet on the outer corner. This makes me very nervous. But I'm going to take this Morphe M506 and pick up Jet, which I can't tell. It looks black. It kind of looks like it has shimmer in it. I don't know, but I'm going to work that on the outer corner. Lightly, just slowly building up the color and deepening this outer corner. so I got that worked in. It was kind of easy to work with compared to some other blacks that I've used. I do have quite a bit of fallout right here, but that's why I do my eyes first before I do my makeup. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my makeup and I will be back to finish up the eyes. Okay guys, so I just finished up the rest of my makeup, so I'm gonna finish up the eyes. So I'm gonna take a flat definer brush. This is the Luxie 221, and I'm gonna pick up Jet very carefully, and I'm gonna put that on the outer corner, connecting that to the top. But I'm only going in a little bit less than halfway. And then I'm gonna take this Royal and Langnickel Omnia detail brush, and I'm gonna take Riff and smoke that out, but I'm keeping the very inner corner bare, just going right on the outside of the black. Then I'm gonna take this little Wet n Wild brush. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna take Breakaway and put that right on the inner corner. I am dragging it down and up, really trying to brighten that inner corner, and then just adding a tiny bit right under the arch of my brow. I really like this Breakaway shade. It is so pretty. It's such a good highlight shade. Then I'm gonna take this Ulta Beauty gel eyeliner in the shade Aqua. I think this is so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna put that on the waterline. Okay, so I just popped on mascara on my lower lash line, and this is the finished eye look. I really like how this eye look turned out. I was kind of nervous because I knew I wanted to use these blues because they are gorgeous, but in that palette it didn't have any good transition shades. This black, as you can see, it looks a little patchy over here. I had a little bit of an issue with that, but I actually really love how it turned out. The whole look all together I think is really, really pretty. I'm like digging these shades so much. This one, the Big Sky, I think is what this, Big Sky. Yeah, Big Sky is gorgeous. It's beautiful. It is probably one of my favorite shades in this palette. I think it's so pretty. I love the eyeliner that I used. It actually shows up really good. I think I've used this a couple times, but I don't remember it working super awesome, but I think that it looks really good. Like, you can see the pop of color on my waterline. So this is the finished look. This is look number 5 in my 10 looks using one palette series. We are halfway through another season. I'm super excited. This is my favorite. This series is just my favorite to do. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I post 3 every week. I did film this face makeup, so if you want to see that, it will be coming up next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.